Hi,
Then you gotta get yourself, right?
there's Stacy. Okay.
You're driving home one night from a party with some friends. You look back just to talk to everyone, and at that moment, everything goes black. You turn around, and everyone's screaming. You turn to the right, and you see your friend laying there, not moving. You keep thinking to yourself, if you didn't look back, none of this would have happened. Drinking and driving, a deadly combination. Drinking and driving can kill you and other people. My mom works in the ER and comes home all the time and tells me many stories of people coming in either dead or severely injured from drinking and driving. Today, I will convince you on how drinking and driving can affect your abilities while driving, how drinking and driving can kill you or other people, and how drinking and driving is a serious crime. Drivers use their hands, eyes, and feet to control the car, but all that must be controlled by your brain. Drinking alcohol can have a profound effect on your driving skills by the American Association of the Advancement of Science. Alcohol is a substance that reduces the function of the brain, impairing thinking, reasoning, and muscle coordination. All these abilities are essential to operating a vehicle safely by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. North Dakota Department of Transportation states alcohol slows down your reaction, impairs vision, dulls judgment, and creates a fake false of confidence while driving. Now that I talked about the effects of alcohol and driving, let's move on how drinking and driving can kill yourself or other people. People who drink and drive can kill other people on the road. Reid has calculated a more accurate estimate of the number of deaths that could have been prevented if no one drove after drinking by the National Academy of Sciences. My friend from high school, her father passed away from a drunk driver hitting him, and she's still impacted by those till today. DUI manslaughter is a charge of a result of an intoxicated driver causing an accident that is the death of another person. The impaired driver did not intend to kill another person, but it happened as a result of an alleged drunk driving by the 2019 Morales law firm. According to NCAPP, nearly 13,000 people are killed with alcohol-related accidents each year. Driving drunk is one of the easiest, unsafest ways to get killed or injured, yet people are still doing it knowing the risk. NDD states that almost everyone who got in a car wreck tested positive for alcohol use. Every 53 minutes, someone dies from an alcohol-related accident. So many things people don't know about drunk driving and how to prevent it. Think not twice, but multiple times before getting in the car under the influence. Getting people familiar with this topic can help us and others better understand how much drunk driving can and has affected us. Staying off the road at night is probably the safest way to avoid this. Most accidents occur at night when others have been drinking. Now that we talked about how drinking and driving can kill yourself and others, let's talk about how drinking and driving can be a serious crime. Drinking and driving can be a serious crime. If you are pulled over while driving, you will be treated like a criminal. You will get handcuffed and be put to jail. You or someone you know will have to post a bond before you were released from jail. You will have to face a judge or jury, and if your blood alcohol when you were arrested was a 0.08, you were found guilty of drinking and driving by the thoughtco.com. Also, your license will be revoked. To get it back, you will have to go through an assessment of drinking habits before getting your license back. You will also get a more expensive auto insurance from drinking and driving. Some states have to have a install ignition interlock device on your vehicle that will not let your car start if you have alcohol on your breath. Many DUI cases are classified as a misdemeanor, but you can go to jail for as long as a year. If you have a felony charge, you can go to prison for longer than a year. Think twice before drinking and driving by the driving laws. In 2011, over 1.2 million were arrested for driving under the influence in the US, announced by the MADD. Today, I convinced you, first, how drinking and driving affects your abilities while driving. Second, how drinking and driving can kill you or other people on the road. And third, how drinking and driving can be a serious crime. Don't allow anyone to drink or drive. It's very serious, dangerous, and can harm you or others. Drive sober.